Hi everyone, I'm Nithin and welcome back to PSLE Math 2021 Paper 2 question series, and today I'll be going through question 9. So let's get started. Okay, so this is question 9 and it is touching us on bar graph, percentage and average. Let's read the question first. The bar graph shows the number of files sold from January to March. Okay, the number of files sold is not shown on the scale. Okay, so over here they have never indicated any numbers, right? So I'm just gonna indicate it as 1 2 3 and this is units. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 10. So January is 12, February is 9, and March is 16. Okay, for part A, what was the percentage decrease in the number of files sold from January to February? Okay, when I talked about percentage decrease in another paper, I've said that you have to take something as the base, and this base is usually where the next thing comes from. So from January, so January should be the base in this case over here, because January is right after the from. So from January, so from January to February. So January is the starting month, while February we are finding the decrease. Okay, so January it should be the base. Okay, let me write that down. So let's find the normal decrease first. The normal decrease is 12 minus 9 because of this thing over here. So this is the normal decrease. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And in order to find the percentage decrease, we need to take 3 over the total number, which is January, because that's the base. So 3 over the base times 100%. So 3 over 12 times 100%, it will give us 25% as the answer for part A. Okay, so that's how you do it, part A. Now for part B, there were 144 more files. Okay, 144 more files sold in March than in January. So this difference over here, 12 and 16. See this difference? There's about 4 units difference, yeah. So 16 minus 12, there's a 4 units difference, and this 4 units is actually 144, because that's the difference from March and January. And basically 1 unit is 144 divided by 4, which will give us 36. And they're asking us to find, for part BI, how many files were sold in March. So March is 16 units, right? So let's find 16 units. So 16U is 16 times 36, because 1 unit is 36, and it will give us an answer of 576. So that's for part BI. Now for part BII, the average number of files sold from January to May. Oh, there's new months over here. January to May was 435. So how many months is that? So January, February, March, April, and May. Okay, so there are actually 5 months over here. So there's 5 months. So let me just write April and May over here. So what was the average number of files sold in April and May? So average in 2 months. Okay, so now how do we do this? So let's find the total number from January to May first. So in order to find the total number, we just need to take 435 times 5 months, because you know the to find average, so average is actually total number over the number of months in this case. Okay, so that's the formula for average. So now what we need to do in order to find the total is to basically take 435 times 5 months, which will give us 2,175. Next, we are going to find the amount of total from January to March in order to find the total in April and May, in order to find the average for April and May, because in order to find average we need the total number divide by the number of months. Since there are only 2 months, we need the total number of the 2 months divided by the 2 months. Okay, so now what you're going to do in order to find from January to March is basically to take 12 units plus 9 units plus 16 units times the value of 1 unit, which is 36, which will give us the total value of 1332. So in order to find what is April and May, we just need to take 2175 minus 1332. So in order to find the average, we just need to take the difference of these two things divided by 2. So that's very simple. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about over here. So you take the difference divided by 2, which will give you the average as 421.5 as the answer. So 421.5 fouls is the answer for question 9. So this is the average. Okay, so I hope you understand that. So this is the answer for part B II. Okay, so I do hope you understood my explanation for the bar graph, percentage, and average in this question. And thank you and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.